Ever wondered why some epoxy systems survive rocket launches while others fail in everyday gadgets? It all comes down to the structure-property relationship. If you're a chemist or engineer in coatings, adhesives, or polymers, you already know understanding these relationships isn't just a bonus, it's essential. Let's break it down. Epoxy resins, whether you're talking DG EBA, Novolac, or cycloaliphatic, each have a unique molecular structure that shapes how they cross-link, how tough they are, and how they stand up to heat or chemicals. And that's just the start. The curing agents you pick, amines, anhydrides, phenolics, they're not just ingredients, they're the architects of your network. They set the glass transition temperature, the strength, the durability, literally everything that matters in performance. Now here's what sets the next generation of formulators apart: advanced strategies. We're talking nano-reinforcement, multi-phase toughening, even bio-based modifications. And the real game changer? Predictive modeling and molecular simulations. Forget trial and error. With data-driven tools like Florey-Stockmayer theory and QSPR, you can predict outcomes, optimize faster, and troubleshoot like a pro. This expert-led online training is designed to put you at the sharp end of innovation. You'll learn to decode epoxy performance, linking molecular structure to real-world properties like modulus, chemical resistance, and toughness. You'll solve formulation problems at the source and master techniques trusted by aerospace and electronics leaders. If you're ready to move from following recipes to leading breakthroughs, this is your moment. Join OnlyTRAININGS and sharpen your formulation edge. Whether you're battling CTE mismatch, chasing durability, or designing the next adhesive for Mars, you'll leave with the confidence and tools to build smarter, more reliable materials. Unlock the secrets of high-performance epoxy formulations. The future of advanced materials starts here. Will you be part of it? To register, click the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. And hey, check out the newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy, featuring thousands of courses across 100+ domains. Want to explore more? Visit academy.onlytrainings.com today.